Hey, knowledge lovers. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of game development with Unity. Whether you're an aspiring game developer or simply looking to bring your creative visions to life, Unity is one of the most powerful tools out there for building 2D and 3D games. I've got two incredible courses that will help you master Unity and start building your own games from scratch. And the best part? All of these courses come with certifications, are fully online, and can be taken from anywhere in the world. The links to access the courses will be in the video description, so make sure to check them out. 1. Game Design and Development with Unity, Michigan State University. This course is perfect for beginners who want to jump right into game development. It covers the entire game design process, from creating concepts and designing game mechanics to actually building and deploying your own games using Unity. You'll learn how to create 2D and 3D environments, implement gameplay mechanics, and even add sound effects and animations. One of the great things about this course is that it's hands-on, allowing you to develop multiple game prototypes as you go along. By the end of the course, you'll not only have a portfolio of games you've designed, but also a solid understanding of how game development works, from concept to execution. This course is a fantastic entry point for anyone serious about game design or development. 2. C# Programming for Unity Game Development, University of Colorado. While Unity is a powerful tool, knowing how to code in C# is essential if you want to fully unlock its potential. This course is designed to teach you the fundamentals of C# programming, specifically for Unity development. You'll learn how to script gameplay, create player controls, manage game states, and more. What's awesome about this course is that it's beginner-friendly, but still dives deep into the programming skills needed to make complex games. You'll work on several Unity projects and learn how to write clean, efficient code for your games. By the end of the course, you'll have a strong command of C# and be able to confidently create your own games with custom features. Now, here's a tip that could save you a lot of money. These two courses can be taken without having to pay for each one individually. How? By getting the Coursera Plus subscription, which gives you access to over 7,000 courses by paying just a monthly or annual fee. It's an amazing deal, especially if you're serious about mastering Unity or exploring other areas like game design, programming, or animation. The link with the best price will be in the video description, so don't miss out on that. So, there you have it. Two of the best Unity courses that will help you take your game development skills to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or looking to hone your coding skills in C#, these courses offer a fantastic opportunity to learn and grow as a developer. Until next time, knowledge lovers.